2013 Ford Mustang GT glass roof car with a California special package. And yes, as you can see by that hood, it is supercharged, Roushcharged on top of that 5-liter V8 underneath there, paired up with a 6-speed manual transmission. We will get into the specifics on the tasteful engine modifications and some other things done to this car. But first, I want to let you know it does have a clean Carfax. No accidents indicated. Actual mile car at just 15,595. Ingot silver metallic with the char black natural grain leather interior, and we're going to get to that in a bit too. First, let's take a look at this front fascia. And as you can see, Cervini aftermarket hood, Shelby hood pin kit. Something else I want to mention is on this hood and the paint, they did a beautiful job laying that paint on there. It is a good match. There's a few other things, quarter window treatments and some other things. Very nicely done with the match. And just so you know, I have it in the still pictures also. This license plate bracket, that is not screwed to anything as far as the front fascia, the chin spoiler, anything like that. It'll actually flip down and slide underneath. You'll be able to see it in the underside pictures. There's pictures of this car from every angle: interior, engine bay, underside, trunk. They can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. And of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. Correct California special wheels, Michelin radial tires. Let's take a look down this passenger side. Have not noticed any major nicks, dings, or scratches. You might find a very small little stone chip, maybe one that's been touched up, but overall, this car shows very well. And what's really cool is how open and scenic it is with that glass roof. Of course, bucket seat interior, center console, carbon fiber look to the dash. There's those quarter window treatments I was talking about. And again, you can see those panels nice and straight. Does have Roush mufflers on it, and it is a complete dual exhaust system. Catalytic converter still intact. Will also come with the original cold air intake. We'll pop the hood in a bit after we go over some of the details of that engine. I'm going to let you hear this run. This car has a nice bark to it. There's no doubt about that. And again, the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. If you like these specialty Mustangs in general, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you'll see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily. When these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. Side scoops. And again, you can see how nicely they matched that paint and those aftermarket items. Our matching to that ingot silver paint. All right, rear end 373. Rear gear ratio, and that is with a limited slip differential. Original hood, by the way, will go along with this. We'll have that in the still pictures. Of course, your modern amenities with your power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. All right, let's do this. I want to go through the engine modifications quick. Before we start it up, it's going to be easier for you to hear me. All right, it does have the twin 60mm throttle bodies. Also new aluminum manifolds. 47-pound injectors. The new air intake. 80mm supercharger pulley. New full race radiator. New voltage regulator for fuel pump because of the flow. They're up in the flow. Let's see what else is going to be pertinent on here. It does have, I guess the brain box is what they're calling it on the notes. Basically your computer module was sent to Roush Racing for software flashing. That's where all of the settings would be mapped. Install Roush Racing Stage 3 Supercharger. All those modifications to the tune of the 11 to 12 grand range. So professionally done, nicely done. I'm going to show you it in here just a bit. First of all, let's check out this interior. Then we're going to fire this thing up. Let me pull that key. You have to listen to that. All right, door panels looking good. Then again, power windows, power mirrors, power locks, power seat over here on the driver's side. Let me step back. I don't want that seat to wash out where the inlay is. So it is nice. No fading. There's really hardly any wear on that bolster, that seat at all. Of course, steering wheel controls, shaker stereo system. Check the exact miles for you here. There they are, 15,595. Again, 6-speed manual. No service engine soon lights, check-in, anything like that. All there is the seatbelt warning indicator. Of course, electronic climate control. All right. Are you ready for this? Told you I had a little bark. Slip around to the back so you can hear this thing. It is a great sounding car. Nice deep throaty exhaust note, and when you get under throttle, it lets you hear it. It lets you hear it, no doubt about that. All right, I'm going to pause this a second. I want to get these hood pins out. We're going to take a peek at that engine bay, check out that supercharger, and as usual, stick around to the end. Jason's going to take this for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. That's going to be a fun one. All right, underside of the hood, painted as nicely as the rest of it. One thing you'll notice right away, Mustang peeps, hood struts. There's your Cervini molding. And this would be considered a heat extractor hood, of course. Air's gonna come in underneath and exit out the top of the hood there. There's your Roush cold air intake. And that supercharger. Nice, clean, tidy engine bay. Sounds good, looks good. It's done right, folks. No doubt about that. And remember, clean Carfax, what, just over 15,000 miles? And a glass roof, California special package to boot. Number to call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a very fun 2013 Ford Mustang that is Roush supercharged, and we've got a 6-speed manual to play with. This car is going to be lots of fun. First of all, just listen to it. Yeah, it's fast and it sounds amazing. Let's get her in 6th. Okay, as we cruise along, let's get to the speed limit. At 55 miles an hour, we're doing about 1,500 to 1,600 RPM, so that's very nice. This car is just a ball of fun. Now the nice thick steering wheel, throwback looking seats. A little bit of cloth in the middle, leather on the sides. The stereo sounds great. Mostly, I love the sound, and the power is perfect. The clutch feels great, the shifting feels great. Brakes nice and smooth. Very effective brakes. I'm gonna wait till we get straight before I give her some throttle again. This corner is nice and flat, very easy to steer too. I have a nice sunroof over my head. Now we're in third. Okay, just spun the tires in third. Very, very fun car. You've got to drive this. First of all, go to uniqueclassiccars.com. Look at all the pictures and learn all about it. Give us a call if you have questions.